Today we are going to talk about using Google Slides, how to create a Google Slide, how to share a Google Slide, and how to make copies of any Google Slides. So to get started, you want to get to Google Slides, which you can do by using your Gmail account. In the upper right hand corner, the Google apps, slide down to Slides. To create a slide, at the top you see the option of a blank presentation, and there's also a bunch of templates. For today, I'm going to show you the blank presentation. Once you decide to make a slide, you can share and you can make a copy. You can also do this with something that someone has shared with you. So, I'm going to title my slide, share/make a copy. To share, I go to the share button in the upper right hand corner. From here, I can type in the email addresses of people and then share. I can also change the options. Right now, this person, which is myself, is an editor, so this means I can make changes to the slideshow. If I only wanted someone to view it, I could change it to viewer. And if I wanted to give them the option of leaving comments, I could change it to commenter. Once I'm ready, I just simply hit send. I've now shared it. Also, making a copy. To make a copy of a presentation that you have or someone else has let you have, you go to File, Make a Copy. You can choose to copy the entire presentation or select specific slides that you would like copies of.